If you've ever traveled with kids, you know, it's not a vacation, it's a trip, a beautiful, chaotic, snack-filled adventure where anything can happen. Spilled juice, epic meltdowns, forgotten teddy bears, you name it. But here's the thing. Traveling with kids doesn't have to be stressful. In fact, with the right mindset and a few smart strategies, it can be amazing. Today, I'm breaking down how to travel smart with kids. We're talking real-life tips, hacks, and advice that'll help you actually enjoy the journey, not just survive it. If that sounds like your kind of travel vibe, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss a single tip. And just so you know, you're not alone. According to a 2024 report by the Family Travel Association, 81% of U.S. parents said they're planning to travel with their kids within the year. So yeah, family travel is booming. You're in good company. Whether you're planning a road trip, hopping on a flight, or going overseas, this guide will help you keep your sanity and make the trip fun for everyone. Let's dive in. Tip number 1, pack light, but pack smart. First things first, let's talk about packing. And yes, I know how tempting it is to bring everything but the kitchen sink when you're traveling with kids. But here's the truth, less is more. You don't need 5 outfits per day. You need versatile pieces, things that can mix and match, layer, and survive snack stains. For kids, focus on comfy clothes, extra underwear, a jacket, and maybe one fancy outfit if you've got something planned. Packing cubes are a game changer. You can organize outfits by day or child. No more digging through a suitcase at 10 p.m. looking for pajamas. Also, don't forget the essentials, medications, wipes. Even if your kids are out of diapers, they're still miracle tools. A small first aid kit, comfort item, blanket, stuffed animal, etc. 1 or 2 surprise toys or books. Keep them hidden until a meltdown is imminent. Just remember this. Smart packing equals less stress equals happier parents. Tip number 2. Snacks are the real MVP. If there's one universal truth about traveling with kids, it's this. Snacks can save the day. You could be stuck in traffic, waiting out a flight delay, or just dealing with boredom, and snacks instantly calm the chaos. It's like handing them edible peace offerings. But don't just grab random junk food. Go for a mix of healthy and fun. Fruit pouches, granola bars, crackers, dried fruit, a couple of treats. Because, let's be real, bribery has its place. Also, pack a reusable water bottle for each kid. Most airports have refill stations now, and staying hydrated helps with moods, especially on long trips. Bonus hack. Pack snacks in tackle boxes or pill organizers with different compartments. Kids love the surprise of snack variety boxes, and it keeps them entertained for way longer than you'd think. Tip number 3. Flights with kids? Here's the survival plan. Flying with kids doesn't have to be a nightmare. It just takes a little prep. First, book smart. If you can, pick flights that match your child's nap or sleep schedule. Early morning flights are usually less crowded and more on time. Also, pick your seats carefully. Aisle seats make bathroom trips easier. Window seats keep kids entertained. Bulkhead rows? More legroom. At the airport, let kids run around before boarding, tire them out. And once on the plane, whip out the surprise entertainment arsenal. Sticker books, magnetic puzzles, water wow coloring pads, downloaded shows or movies, with headphones. Trust me, new toys, plus screen time, smooth skies. Also, bring an extra outfit for your child and yourself. Accidents happen. According to Value Penguin, families in the U.S. spend an average of $2,100 just on transportation costs for vacations. So if you're already investing that much, a little extra prep makes that investment go a lot further. Keep it calm, be flexible, and remember, no one's judging you if your toddler loses it at 30,000 feet. We've all been there. Tip number 4. Choose kid-friendly stays. Where you stay matters a lot when you're traveling with kids. You want space, convenience, and maybe even a little peace and quiet. That's why apartments or vacation rentals can be total game changers. You get a kitchen, separate bedrooms, and a fridge for milk, snacks, and leftovers. But if you're staying in a hotel, look for these: family rooms or suites, pools, bonus points if there's a kids' pool, breakfast included, close to attractions or parks, laundry facilities. You'll thank me later. Also, call ahead and ask for things like cribs, high chairs, or extra blankets. Most places are happy to help if they know you're coming with kids. Smart accommodation equals smoother mornings and better nights. Tip number 5, don't overschedule. Okay, this one's big. Less is more when it comes to your itinerary. You might be tempted to see everything: museums, landmarks, 5 cities in 5 days. But guess what? Kids need downtime. Instead of packing your days to the brim, plan for one main activity in the morning, lunch and rest time, free play or a park in the afternoon. Give yourself buffer time because you will need it. And here's a stat to back it up. 61% of families start planning their trips at least 5 weeks in advance, and most can plan a full itinerary in just 6 hours spread over a few days. So don't feel pressured to plan every minute. It's okay to slow down. Kids move at their own pace, and sometimes the best memories come from the unplanned moments. Tip number 6, get kids involved. Here's a little travel magic. When kids feel involved, they behave better. Give them mini responsibilities. Let them help pack their backpack. Pick a snack for the trip. Choose between 2 activities. Carry their own small suitcase. You can even turn the trip into a game, like a scavenger hunt or sticker map for each place you visit. Older kids? Hand them a travel journal. Have them draw or write what they saw each day. It's educational and fun, and makes for a super sweet keepsake later. Feeling included gives kids a sense of control, and that goes a long way when you're on the road. Tip number 7, embrace the chaos. Let's be real. Things will go wrong. Someone will cry. Something will spill. You'll forget something important. That's just part of the adventure. The best thing you can do? Roll with it. Traveling with kids teaches you patience, creativity, and the art of lowering expectations in the best way possible. It forces you to slow down, see the world through their eyes, and find joy in the smallest moments. Like watching your kid try gelato for the first time, or seeing them squeal with excitement at an airport, or dancing in the rain because, why not? So yes, travel with kids can be unpredictable, but it's also wonderful. It's bonding, it's hilarious, and it's full of memories you'll cherish forever. Bonus hacks. Quick-fire travel hacks for parents on the move. Always carry Ziploc bags for snacks, wet clothes, messy toys, whatever. Download offline Google Maps, shows, and games. Bring a compact stroller or baby carrier for city walking. Use ID bracelets or temporary tattoos with your phone number, just in case someone gets lost. Take photos of your kid in their outfit that day. Helpful if you get separated. So there you have it, your complete guide to traveling smart with kids. We've covered packing, snacks, flights, hotels, schedules, and most importantly, mindset. Because traveling with kids isn't just possible, it can be truly incredible. You'll have good days and tough ones. But through it all, you're building stories they'll tell forever. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more family travel tips, and drop a comment below with your best kid travel hack, or even your funniest travel disaster story. We've all got one. Until next time, travel smart, laugh loud, and enjoy the chaos.